Okay, in the previous video clips, we talked about how to install the iPonic communication module into the controller. Now I'm going to go through the process of connecting this controller onto the internet, and through the Link4 Cloud web services, we can remotely come in and manage all the parameters on here through a web browser or through a cell phone. So the first thing you need to do is, after you connect everything, is to get two important numbers from this unit. The way to do that is go into the system menu, click OK, then go to System Setup, option 4, click OK, and then go to option 9, which is on the bottom, option 9, Communication Setup. You click OK on that. Last time we went through and we looked at the IP address setup. Let's take a look at it again. If everything set up correctly, this screen should be all filled out, and the controller will automatically connect to the cloud without you having to program anything. The key thing is go to the server setup section. In here, there are two important numbers. One on the bottom here. One is called serial number. So you need to write that down. In this case, 07DB-0C-04-1200. Record that down, and you will need the hyphen as well, so record that. Underneath that is the registration key. There's a specific key here that is assigned by the cloud to this unit once connected. So you only get that key once this unit is connected to the internet. So when you have that, record both of them, and then we'll go to the web and we'll tie the account into this controller. Let's go to that next. Okay, now that we have the iPonic communication module installed into the unit, and we have the registration number and the registration key in hand, let's go to the internet and see how we connect the unit to the cloud. So the URL is iPonic.link4cloud.com. So we go there, and on the upper right hand corner is register button. Click that button and just follow the usual process to register an account. So name, I'm gonna put, let's say Alicia, username Alicia, password, let's say Alicia also, Alicia, emails a.cortez, link4corp.com, a.cortez, link4corp.com. Register, account has been created, activation link has been sent. So let's go, I'll check my email inbox. There it is. Open the email, there should be a link. I'm gonna click on the link to activate the account. So there it is. Your account has been successfully activated. So username Alicia, password Alicia also. I'm gonna log in. A few seconds. There you go. What you see is there's a new tab now. It wasn't there before, called My iPonic Cloud. So this is new. We're in. There's a button here called Add a Controller to Your Account. Let's do that. We'll click on that. And this is where the two numbers that we retrieved earlier. So I'm going to put that in here. 070. Oh, I already have the number here. Now remember to put the hyphens in there as well. And the registration key 6342. Add a controller. And there it is. This is the controller. I can click on, now if you have multiple controllers, you can keep on clicking this. You can add many controllers into your account. And I click on view controller, and I can see this is the controller. You see the temperature, humidity, CO2, sensor readings are here. The equipment status are here, and the staging are down here. So that's it. That's all you do. Okay, so now that we have set up the account and the connection to the controller, you'll see that these parameters here, temperature, humidity, CO2, matches the controller here. Okay, so you see temperature, humidity, CO2 match that, and then the equipment status and names here all match what's shown on the controller on the website here. So I'm going to do like a quick demonstration here. So you can see on the AC unit right now it's being forced on. You see the light on right there, right? And over here on the equipment status, if you look at it closely, you see AC on and it's being forced on. So I'm going to change that. So down on the bottom lower right here, there is an option equipment override. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to go down here. AC force on, so I'm going to change that to force off. Click Save Override Setting. And I'll go back and you see that unit output just turned off by itself. And then one more time I'm going to turn it back on, and you will see that it will change back on automatically. Again, click Change Equipment Override, AC force on, click Save Override Setting, and then it should come back on automatically in a few seconds there. In the same way, you can change your set points and here, and the changes will affect the unit automatically on its own.